Hey, what's up everybody? In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to create a wall obstacle. So it's not going to be any sort of standard wall. I get it. You could easily go out there and create a rectangle, but I want to show you how to create a wall that actually has some curvature to it. So when taking a look at our course, um, we can see I have blocked off this end to keep the golf ball from going from this side of the water hazard, and then I kind of want to block it off on this end because I know I'm eventually going to have a bridge that goes over it. So I'm going to create some sort of a wall obstacle down here on this end. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go and pick on sketch, and I'm going to pick on this face. I'm going to take a look at this from the top. And then like I've done before, I'm going to use spline. But the thing is, I'm going to be offsetting this to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and just start over here and just get this somewhat close to the wall just to make sure that that golf ball is not going to go through that little passageway there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just create some curvature to this wall, okay, to act sort of like a barrier. Okay, and I think I'm kind of close here, so I'm just going to go ahead and double click it to finish up with that spline. And now I can go ahead and use offset. I can grab this line. All right, and we can see it's going in the right direction, so I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to go ahead and type in 2 for the thickness of my wall and hit enter. All right, and now, okay, we can see that that wall is built. All right, so now we got a cap off the ends on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a line from this endpoint here to this endpoint here. And then I'm going to come in here, and it looks like that's going over a little bit. That's no problem, because what we can do is we can just draw a line, somewhere along here, and just take it to this line. And now I can go ahead and just trim this up. So I'm going to trim this up and trim this up. Okay, we have that line there. So I'm going to green check it. Go ahead, put this into an isometric view. And now we can go ahead and just do a really simple extrusion here. Bring this up, say 4 inches, and green check it. All right, so that sort of wavy wall or wall that has some curvature to it is now there. And then obviously we can now go ahead and start with our face appearance. And I'm going to turn this into sort of like a brick color. Okay, add that to the wall itself. Okay, so making sure I have everything on that, make sure everything is covered. Okay, with our face appearance, and green check it. All right, and just that easy. Okay, I have now created this sort of baffle wall, all right, to keep the ball in play where the people have to actually cross the bridge. All right, so there you go. That's how you create a wall with some curvature using Onshape for your mini golf course project.